Josh, what's wrong with my car?
Fucking wheel bearing sucks. It's a Volkswagen. What do you want?
It might be an Audi. Could be a Lamborghini, for all we know. I mean, they're all owned by the same companies. Be something simpler. Be something much simpler.
Wheel bearing is pretty simple.
Yeah, but I want to not spend more money if I don't have to.
Oh, no, I agree. That little cap's got right there.
This video needs some vaping. There we go. Choo choo! Chicka 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 chicka. I'm doing that every single time I see somebody blow vape smoke now.
Sure, the little cap doesn't come off?
I'm positive because I'll take the whole thing off and then take it off.
Yeah, but just to inspect it and see if it's fucked up.
Well, okay.
Content for the channel. Glad I broke my car intentionally.
Need a smaller screwdriver. That's not coming off. That's looser than cat shit too, and that's not supposed to be loose.
What?
What did you do to my car, man?
I didn't do this.
Bro.
The fucking, one of the bolts for the, you know the two springy things? One of those is loose. Let me see the bottom. Bottom one's fine. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
I'm tired of your half-assedy fucking putting my shit back together.
I didn't do this!
Debatable.
Fuck stick. Alright, well.
That cat does come off.
To get that off, this is probably the replacement nut.
You got a punch?
I sure do.
Nut punch?
Not quite. I got a small enough screwdriver to be able to get in there. That should do it.
If you want this to be filmed, I'd do it.
I am filming it.
I didn't know.
Hold on. I got some solution for you. That's it. Should do it. Yeah.
What is that?
Dirt? No. Exploded bearing.
Oh! Neat!
And
That
back to
chunkies of the bearing in there?
oh, grease.
Oh, God.
It's the grease that was in there.
Neat.
It's fine.
To your right. That's gonna be a,
Big? Like there? Like what I just put on there.
This is an easy job when you have the tools. I got a breaker bar.
Sweet. Fancy. Moses. God. Oh, Jesus, Brian, come on, man.
I did the same thing with my car.
Fucking heart just fucking.
You're still alive, man.
Yeah. It's just that with the jack and your bigness and, you know, no tires.
I bet you shit's left-hand thread.
Oh, I forgot the other tire is still on my car. impact.
That'd be nice.
That would require power.
Yeah. I'm trying to keep the hammer away from your car as much as possible.
Bearing is just crumbling.
Trying to do it like that.
God damn. The fuck is this thing stuck in?
Loctite.
Unnecessarily. Oh, my toe.
Gotta get your toe though.
I know.
No.
How the fuck did you
Got a
get that out?
got a torch.
Nope.
Heat it up a little bit.
Make sure that ain't lifting through.
Look at that American bred ass.
Nice. Shake that. Yeah.
Yuck.
That's not supposed to make that sound.
Yeah, stuff isn't supposed to come out of your bearings, especially your sparkly, shiny stuff. Oh, wow, you smell that? Oh wait, is that somebody pouring a roof, or is that just, is that? That's what I thought. Ooh. Man, that is just burnt up. Shiny is not going on as easily as it looks like it should. Hey. Installed. Alright, put the wheel back on, time to go.
Now to put that back on as tight as it just was.
Yeah. Shouldn't be quite as hard.
Finger tight, right?
Yeah.
This isn't quite an American tool.
Phrasing.
Product.
Phrasing.
That's a whole lot better.
Yeah.
Where's that ratchet goes at?
So, here's your great one. Yeah. Well, so we've been making another trip back to those then.
Crossroads slotted. Hey, power stop. It feels like this car could use some cross-drilled slotteds on it. I'm looking your way, Christopher. I mean, not directly at you, but more or less towards the company that you work for. In case you hadn't picked up the hint, send me free cross-drilled slotteds.
Or even severely discounted ones.
No, free. I'm gonna go ahead and be greedy.
One Ugga Dugga.
Yeah, it feels like one Brian Dugga is gonna get it.
And as long as it still spins, I think we're good.
One Brian Dugga coming up. Dugga.
Alright. Appears to be Gucci Mane.
Hey, my wheel bearing is Gucci.
Mane. Does it still spin?
Squealy. Over here.
Hey, bro.
Josh?
About damn time.
Oh shit. Harry Potter and this motherfucker. Oh, no glasses. Oh shit, Harry Potter got the LASIK.
Yeah. Kids are pretty good.
Yo, they were only serving cow at Chick-fil-A. It was the fucking craziest thing. We said, hey, we got this guy and he really wants some of your chicken, and they said, beef only. You're better than that. Did you pound hole while we were gone?
Why do you think he doesn't have any underwear on?
Oh, Jesus Christ, it's like a Funyun.
It's like a Funyun.
Fucking hell.
That's like a lot of
Look at the fucking former wheel bearing on the ground.
Yeah, 8 up. So I was right.
Oh yeah, 100%.
I know I smell some pussy ass shit around here.
Funyuns are like Cheetos or something. I don't know.
Well, you smelled Dylan.
Where is he? Dill. What up,
Hey,
fam?
Mom.
I know. What's up, fam? What up?
No, you're missing that bolt. Hand up.
Yeah. You did the part that Tiny Man can't do. Where is...
That would have took 2
Did you
people.
find the tool that you needed?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
a whole set of them.
Thank God he bought the whole set.
$54 for...
6 pieces.
Guess how,
Or something that we will probably never use.
guess how much the wheel bearing was? Yeah, not that much.
Well, at least we have like a trick stick so the cost.
I would have been buying the tool anyway if he didn't want it for his own thing. I would have just bought it, yeah.
You didn't buy it?
No, I bought it.
No, he said it was going to be in his
In case
collection.
we
I'm not
fucking
taking it
use
home.
again someday, 'cause I have needed that tool before, and we ended up using a fucking torch bit.
No, if he wasn't going to buy it, I would have bought it, but I don't have any use for it any past this. Well, yeah. I mean,
All right, wait, no, hold on. You can have it. You can use it for 3 things.
What?
Nah, go ahead. Start over.
What the?
Oh wait, I'm using it. It's gonna happen. I'm doing it. Fuck. This one.
Dude, me and Matt's been laying on the couch, right? Just like, you know, it takes a minute for me to fall asleep. I had to watch YouTube and like
Yeah.
prepare myself. Madison been laying about 20 minutes. Like, I was laying on the couch, she was kind of laying on top of me, and she fell asleep. I just pulled out my phone, put it down, and not a minute later, that dude comes.
oh, Santa Claus?
Yes.
Fuck that.
Break.
And I'm like, in the back, so you have to get that. The nubs are so little, you have to hammer down that thing.
I hate these things.
Let me do it. Because it screws in.
I'm not on the right one.
No Chick-fil-A.
Beef only.
We forgot.
No.
Not dead
There
ass.
is no Chick-fil-A.
There's no
I
Chick-fil-A.
forgot, so I invited again, didn't want to come back in yet.
Beef only.
We had to hear it.
We'll be alright. God damn it.
I like like it.
See if I can get the rest of this shit to set.
I heard Tom Thumb's got that fire fried chicken though.
You right about that. Tom Thumb is that fire.
My mom's going to pick up a giant sack of marijuana. So fucking happy.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Who gives a fuck?
Bro, Canada legalized weed recreationally yesterday. We are literally fucking...
In this fucking Stone Age.
We are months away from
Stone Ages.
fucking Trump being like faggot.
There was some news the other day about him talking about it.
Yeah, right.
He's like, I don't think he gives a fuck.
He couldn't give a shit one way or another, to be honest.
I honestly think they should.
Yeah.
They put too many fucking people in jail for weed. And they got people out here running around fucking killing people selling coke that they can't catch. They can't put people in jail.
The whole reason weed is illegal is a fucking joke anyway.
Because they can't tax.
Yeah.
Well, not even that. Back in back in the 1930s, hemp was poised to take over the timber industry because you can make anything out of hemp. So they fucking
Is the
did.
e-brake still on?
No, they did everything they could in their power to make hemp and anything related to it look bad. Like put out movies like what the hell is the name of that movie?
Yes, ma'am.
Reefer Madness. Right at the Chick-fil-A.
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
Make sure I won't be home for something. Shit. I ain't gonna miss a free meal.
Who the fuck you think I am?
It's not like we just ate.
My name is Ryan.
I didn't
I'm
say
a
I
big
was
nigga.
I didn't say I was full.
My name is B. Ryan.
I like food.
I do.
Food like me.
Why do you think I'm so big?
Genetics.
That too.
I'm Fat Albert. What you think? I like food? My name is Professor Clue.
Fuck.
Welcome to Volkswagen Life. If you'd have went with us to Dothan, you could have got Chick-fil-A.
We wouldn't have forgot.
We didn't forget. We just didn't get it for you.
That
That is 100%. I literally just told you the truth. It was, we weren't really, I don't think we were anywhere near Chick-fil-A, were we?
Yeah, we were.
Oh, okay. I don't know where Chick-fil-A is.
We were right by it.
I don't eat there, so I don't even know where the fuck it's at.
Hate you,
No, well,
What you gonna do, fight me?
no.
kick you in the knee.
That's why he said he hates you.
Throw your damn wheelbarrow off the car.
What?
You ain't going to work for a
Couple days.
Old people's asses ain't gonna wipe themselves, Brian.
Oh well, it ain't none of my family out there.
That's true.
Where do you work? You work at that place over by my house, right? Just
Works
past
at
the
the
Russ.
ass wiping center.
It's not that place over past the Russ house?
No, that's I work at a place out there close to
This one?
Because I got a
you know what
cousin.
Kubota is?
Yeah.
Out
Yeah.
there.
Oh, alright.
Thank you, mister. Now, I want this. No. I want... Not that.
That's a pecker net. Film in your head.
There's a lot more down over there than there is here.
Like
Yeah,
my
that's-
house.
$6,000 SDS pay for the dump of fucking seats.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I'm not paying $6,000 to remove 3 trees. Especially